So this was supposed to be a midterms task, and I know I'm past the submission deadline. I was supposed to convince my professor for high marks, but I don't think I deserve that high mark anymore. So instead of high marks, I am only going to ask for a passing grade, at least. I know this is my wrong, and I don't have a proper excuse for submitting this video super late. And also, I don't have time to edit this. All I can ask for now is a mark that can save my midterms grade. Well, I am expecting a low marks from this, but I still have hopes for that high mark. Because my parents is expecting something from me. But I don't think that I'm doing well in my studies right now. I just don't want my parents to get disappointed because of my recent performances. And also my time management is totally messed up. And I lack motivation to do tasks earlier also. And I am supposed to do this video with at least two or three members maybe, and I'm doing it solo right now. I do have a group, but they're not responding to me, and it's already November 3 right now, and the last task for this subject is supposed to be passed before midnight. So I'm going to submit this video first before the other one. Well, I do hope this video gets considered, even though it's 1 month past the deadline. That is all.